How to make whiteboard animation. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to make whiteboard animation using Canva. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Canva, and after that just make sure that you have a pro version in your Canva. And once you're there in your account, all you have to do is just simply go to the search bar, or you can either go to the create design as well, and from there just simply click on it, and over here search for YouTube videos, and after that just select the dimensions of the video appropriate for the YouTube video. And after that you need to create some design in order to make and use animation in those particular design. First of all, just go to text, just add a heading, and after that just simply change the font of the text. I'm using comic here, and after that just select for any appropriate design or element here. I'm using the hello one, and after that in the graphics you can see there are so many options available. Just choose the one which seems right to you or which appeals you the most, for example this one. And after that just create another page, just repeat the process and add the text. And once you are done creating these designs, just simply go ahead and download these files. You can download in JPG or PNG. I'm using JPG, and after that just download both the files and click on download. And once you are done creating the template for the whiteboard videos, after that all you have to do is just simply open your Canva again and go to the app section from the left hand side of the screen, and from there just simply search for Speed Painter. You will be able to see two options like Speed Paint and Speed Painters. I would suggest you to go for Speed Painter, which is very convenient to use. And after that just select the first one, and over here you have to choose the file that you have just created and downloaded in your device. Just simply open choose file, and after that just select the first one first and click on open, and just select the file. And after that you have to select the time duration for the sketch. So let's suppose I'm selecting it for 10 seconds, and after that you can also choose the, and after that once you're done setting up the settings just simply click on generate, and after that just simply wait for the AI tool Speed Painter to generate your video. And once it is done just simply click on add to design, and once it is done just simply click on go back, and over here just delete this particular image, and after that choose another file and select the second one this time, and repeat the process and click on generate. And once that's done just simply click on add to design again, and after that just simply come back to the first one, and after that just simply right click on the image, and from there just simply click on set video as background, and just repeat the same process with the second video as well. Just simply click on set to background, and after that once you're done creating the video just simply click on this play icon from the top right corner of the screen, and over here you can see that your whiteboard scratch video has been created, and you have created this particular video for free, so which is great. So likewise you can create as many video as you want, and you can also make a YouTube channel out of it and earn some money through that. And so yeah, this is basically how you will be able to make whiteboard animation videos in your Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.